Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new stage of the challenge event that comes and already on in worldwide celebration now, part 3. So let's check out the news first. Tap the event and this one, challenge Divine Red and Mortal Will challenge event. So there are two new stage that uh, they add stage 8 and stage 9, and you can get one stone per stage. And also there are some mission you can this is the character that you can take this event, and there are some mission that give you uh a ton, not a ton, give you about 40 dragon stone if I'm not forget. And also you can get this fantastic unique title is available if you complete the event. So let's get to the event. Tap start, tap the event. Also for your information, in this video is for new to the game or for the beginner, but this event is not for new player because it's very one of the hard event. So they added two event here, and difficulty is super 3. And let's check out the news. So they give you about 40 dragonstone. It's very good. You can summon more from this, but the condition is quite challenging. You have to like this one with an extreme AGL, extreme tech, more variation in challenging and battle of fate category. You get 4 stone. So please be patient if you do not have the character that can fulfill the condition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.